What is the definition of set? Set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Object should not repeat or element should not repeat. So intersection means what? Common elements in both. Set of all the first elements belongs to the first set. If two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements has to be equal. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, we'll go ahead with Cartesian product and problems based on Cartesian product. So now, ordered pair. First we should know what is ordered pair. Let A belongs to a set capital A and B belongs to capital B, then the order pair of elements AB is denoted by A comma B. So now we read this as what? Ordered pair AB. Now onwards we read this as ordered pair AB. In geometry we read this as point x coordinate, y coordinate, but here we'll read this as order pair A comma B. And A is what? First element and B is what? Second element. Suppose if I write x comma y, this is the order pair x comma y. X is the first element, y is the second element. So I can write A comma 3 or 4 comma 5. And in order pair, first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. That's what they told here. A belongs to A and B belongs to B. And order pairs are the elements in Cartesian product. So to understand better, we'll go to Cartesian product. So now before that, before we go to Cartesian product, if I take any two order pair, so say AB and CD are said to be equal, we can say two ordered pair are equal if first element is equal to first element and second element should be equal to second element. Two ordered pairs are said to be equal if first element equal to first and second equal to second. See here, the first element is A, here the second element is, first element is C. First element and first element if they are equal and second element if they are equal, then we say the ordered pairs are equal. So if A equal to C and B equal to C, then I can say A comma B order pair is same as C comma D. So what is the conclusion? If two order pairs are equal, corresponding element should be equal. First element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second, and vice versa. If first element is equal to first element and second element is equal to second element, then the order pairs are equal. Suppose we'll have a situation, suppose x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. Suppose if they tell order pairs are equal, then conclusion that implies first element should be equal to first element and second element should be equal to what? Second element. If first element are equal and second element are equal, then order pairs are equal, and vice versa. If two order pairs are equal like this, then first element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second. Or if first is equal to first and second equal to second like this, that implies A comma B should be equal to what? C comma D. This is the equality of ordered pairs. So before we go to relations and functions, first you should know what is Cartesian product, what is order pair. Now I am teaching order pair. Order pair A comma B means A is first element, B is second element. If two ordered pairs are equal, then first element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second, and vice versa. If first element of order pair is equal to first element of second order pair and second element is equal to second element, then the order pairs are equal. Now Cartesian product. So what is meant by Cartesian product? Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted by A cross B. So in set theory, A cross B means what? Cartesian product of AB. So what is A cross B? Cartesian product of A and B. It is set of all the order pairs. In A cross B, we'll have elements in the form order pair. So A cross B includes only elements in the form of what? Ordered pairs. Each element is a pair like this. So each element is a pair A, B, A, C, like that. They have given order pair where first element should belong to first set and second element should belong to what? Second set. First element should belong to first set and second element should belong to what? Second set. Or I can also say order A comma B contains order pair, say x y, such that x belongs to first set A and y belongs to second set B. This is the representation. I wrote in set builder form. All of you know what is set builder form. Writing the characteristic of each element. We are not writing the elements. So A cross B is order pair such that In that order pair, the first element should belong to first set and second element should belong to second set. Or I have done A cross B here. So here A cross B, if A is set AB, A is set AB and B is CDE, B CD, then A cross B you can find. A cross B is A comma C, first with first, then AD, then AE, then BC, BD, BE, like that. Or I'll take one more example. So let us consider one more example to solve this. So let me consider A cross B is the denotion, and let me take A is equal to say a small set 1, 2, 3, and I'll take set B, B is equal to 5, 9 or any elements. So I've taken two different sets. If I ask you to find A cross B, A cross B means it is a set containing order pairs. In order pair, first element should belong to first set. First set is what? A means 1, comma 5. Then take first 1 with 9, 1, 9. Then this is done. Now 2, 2, 5, 2, 9. Then 3, 5, 3, 9. So this is A cross B. A cross B is order pair. So 1, 5, 1, 9, 2, 5, 2, 9, 3, 5, 3, 9. So first element you pick from first set, second element you pick from second set and pair them. 1, 5, then 1, 9, then 2, 5, 2, 9, 3, 5, 3, 9. He wrote. A cross B is what? Cartesian product. Is it not easy? Is it easy or not? So simple. First element you pick from first set, second element you have to take from second set. From first element you do combine all the elements of second set, then you take second element, then you like that. So A cross B we have done. Now we'll go to the exercise where we'll have problems based only on Cartesian product, which is simple and direct. If A is equal to set containing ABCD, B is equal to BDFG, C is equal to CDEF, and U is equal to ABCDEFGH, universal set also they gave. First they want A cross B dash. What do they want? A cross B dash. If I want to solve first problem, first I'll find B dash. What is meant by B dash, my dear students? B dash is what? Complement of B. How to find complement of B? B dash formula is U minus B. From universal set, remove B. What is B? What is B? B, D, F, G. You remove B, D, F, G and write the remaining elements of universal set. So after I remove B, D, F, G, what is remaining? A, C, E, H. So U minus B, that is A, then we have C, then we have E and H. A, C, E, A, H. So I got B dash. They want A cross B dash. So now we got set B dash and set A is given. What is A? A, B, C, D. Now first problem we can solve. What is the first problem? They want A cross B dash. So if you want to find A cross B dash, first your task is to find B dash. How to find B dash? What is meant by B dash? B complement. How to find B complement? U minus B. From universal set remove B. Now A cross B dash is combine the elements of A with B dash. So A means what? A. This is the first element. A, C, A, E, A, H. So A comma, first element is A, club with what? A, then A with what? C, then A with E, then A with H. Then I have done with this, then I should take B, B, A, B, C, B, E, B, H, club like that. Then B, A, B, C, B, E, B, H. Then do with C and D. So first we'll do C, C, A, C comma A, C comma C, C comma E, C comma H. Then C comma, okay, C A, C, C A, C, 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 E, C, H. Then last element D, club D. First element I should take from first set, second I should take from B dash. D A, then D C, then D E, then D H. Now I wrote all the elements. I got A cross B dash. What I got? A cross B dash. A cross B dash means Cartesian product of A with B dash. So when you do Cartesian product, you have to take ordered pairs. So in that ordered pair, first element should belong to first set. First element should belong to what? A, and second element should belong to B dash. We have done it. So I wrote first one. Now we'll go to the second one. So first, to solve the second one, first we need to find A union B, A intersection B. What is meant by A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. What are the common elements of A and B? For A and B, what are the common elements? So A, B, C, D, B, D, F, G. So you can see B and D. Here also we have B and D. So B, D. What is meant by intersection? All of you know operations and sets I have done. So intersection means what? Common elements in both A and B. What are the common elements? We have common element B as well as common element D. So this is what we have done. So now after this, what do they want you to find? They want you to find A intersection B cross A. A intersection B cross A. So now we'll go to the second part, that is A intersection B. This is one set. Cross A means Cartesian product. What is meant by Cartesian product? Order pairs. So first element I should pick from A cross B. A cross B is what? A intersection B. A intersection B is B. I'll club with A. What is A? What is A? I'll write A here again. What is A? Set A, they gave A, B, C, D. So BA, BB, BC, BD. That is BA, B with A, B with C, then B with BA, BB, BC, BD, then similarly DA, DB, DC, and DD. This is A intersection B cross A. So now we are done with this. I hope all of you understood. So Cartesian product means what? A intersection B cross A. First find A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. Common elements are what? BD is common here and here. So club them, that is the set. And intersect, this is the intersection. Then cross product. What is cross product? So first element you should pick from first set, that is A intersection B. Second element you should pick from A. So BA, BB, BC, BD you club. Then DA, DB, DC, DD you club. You will get the answer. Next we have set A is ABCD, set B is BDFG, set C they gave, universal set also they gave. They want A minus B cross B dash. Means first your task is to find A minus B, then you have to find B dash. So let us find A minus B. What is A minus B? From A, remove B. A, B, C, D. So what are the common elements? BD. If A, B, C, D contains BD, if I remove BD, what is left out? A, C. This is B minus A. And B dash. What is B dash? B dash means what? U minus B. From universal set, remove B. From U, if I remove B, B, D, F, G, you remove B, D, F, G, you will get A, C, E, H. A, C, E, H. So now you got B dash, you got A minus B, and you got B dash. Now you should find A minus B into B dash. You know, this is Cartesian product. How to do Cartesian product? First element you pick from first set, second element you pick from second set. That is group A with A, AC, AE, AH, then CA, like that. So that is AA, AC, AE, AH. Then you go for what? CA and CC, CE, CH, sorry. And similarly, this I have done. Can't you do this? They want A intersection B dash. What is meant by A intersection B dash? First find A intersection B. Then you do complement. I hope all of you copied this or understood this. Now we'll go to the fourth one. So I've done this. Now I'll go to this. A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. What are the common elements of A and B? B and D are common in both BD. So they further want A intersection B dash. What is meant by A intersection B dash? Complement of A intersection B. What is complement? So I can write U minus A intersection B. In universal set, remove BD. If I remove B and D, what is left out? A, C, E, F, G, H. A, C, E, F, G, H. Now can't you do cross Cartesian product? What do they want you to find? They want you to find A intersection B the whole dash cross B. They want you to do Cartesian product of these two. If I do that, first I should pick element from this A, and then I should take element from what? B. What is B? AB, then A with D, AD, like that it goes on till what? Last element, that is H with G, till you get. So I am not filling all the elements. I hope all of you understood. Further you can do A intersection B the whole dash I got, and B is given. You complete this by yourself. You can do it, because third one completely I have done. Second one I gave this set. This is more than enough. If you get this set, and you can do Cartesian product. Till now we have done. Next, A is x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, x belongs to natural number. B is x minus 7 plus 12 equal to 0, x belongs to natural number. And C is x such that x square minus 9 equal to 0, x belongs to integer. They want you to do the operation. So first, dear students, set A they give, set B they give, set C they give, but they give all the sets in what? Set builder form. First convert them to what? Roster form or tabular form. Then you can find this. So I'll give the sets, Cartesian product, you complete by yourself. Now set A to fill, I'll solve this equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what are the factors for 6 that gives you minus 5 when you add? So I can take 3 2s are 6, minus 3 minus 2. If I multiply, I'll get plus 6. If I add, I'll get this middle term factorization. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Further on factorizing, if you take x common, x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3, or I can take x minus 3 into x minus 2 is 0, or x equal to what? 3, and x equal to 2. So you got set A. What are the elements of set A? Natural numbers, they told. So both solutions are natural numbers, 2 3. Set A we got, they gave in what? Set builder form. X is an element such that it should satisfy the equation. So solve the equation, you will get x is equal to 2 and 3, and they are natural numbers, they told belongs to natural numbers. Then B, similarly solve x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. What are the factors for 12? 12 factors, I can take 4 and 3. If I take minus is there, minus 4 minus 3 I will take. Solve this. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Take x common, so it will become x minus 3. Take minus 4 common, it will become again x minus 3. Take x minus 3 common, it will become x minus 4 equal to 0. And from this you will get x equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So set B, you got two elements. Set B is what? 3 comma 4. And set C, x square minus 9 equal to 0, x belong to integer, they told. Integer means what? Negative and positive all. So now third one, this will solve. X square minus 9 is 0. X square is equal to 9, can I say? X is equal to root 9 plus or minus. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. So x is equal, therefore x is equal to two values, minus 3 plus 3. So we got set C also. I'll write set C here, minus 3 comma 3. They told integers. Integers means I can take negative also. So I got A, B, C for you people. So A I got set A, set B, set C. Set A I wrote here. Set A I wrote here. Just I'll envelop them. So set A we got this. Set B, set C we got this. Set B we got this. Now my question to you: can't you find A intersection B intersection C cross A? A intersection B intersection C also let me do. A intersection B intersection C. What is meant by A intersection B intersection C? Common for all three. Common for all three. What is the element that is common for all three? So in A, B, C, common. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. 3 is the only common element. So A intersection B intersection C, can I call it a singleton? What is singleton? A set which contains only one element. So now A intersection B intersection C also we got, that is only 3. Now they want you to find A intersection B intersection C cross A. So I have done this. Now we got this also. Now we'll go to the first part. I'll erase this now. I hope all of you copied this. So now what is the remaining part? Remaining part is simple. So here this problem will help you to understand and recollect set builder form, and also it will help you to do operations like intersection. Then we have Cartesian product. So now let me go to the first one. First one is what? A intersection B intersection C cross A. So what is A intersection B intersection C? That is 3 cross A. What is A? 2 3. So you'll get answer as what? First element 3 comma 2. First club with club 3 comma 3. That's all. This is the value of what? A intersection means 3 2 3 3. Each element should be order pair. So that's it. Similarly, you can do A minus B cross B. What is A minus B? From A, remove B. From 2, 3, remove B means 3, 4 you should remove, but only 3 is there, remove. A minus B becomes 2 and then do it. So, I'll erase the remaining part and I'll solve this part also. So, let me erase this and go to what? Second part. A minus B cross B. What is meant by A minus B? A minus B means from A, remove B. From A, 2, 3, remove 3, 4. So 3 goes off. A minus B is just set to containing 2, and B they have given. What is B? We got 3, 4. Now, what is Cartesian product of 2 with 2, 3? 2 with 3, 4. First element I should take from A minus B, that is 2, comma 3, then 2, comma 4. That's all. It's a good problem. Why? Because it includes intersection, it includes minus, that is difference of sets, and it includes Cartesian product. A they gave 3 5 7, B they gave 5 7 9, C they gave, they want A intersection B intersection C cross C. So first part, if you want to solve, first find A intersection B intersection C. What is meant by A intersection B intersection C? Common element for ABC. Common element for what? ABC. For A, B and C, what is common? 3 is not common, 5 is present in A, is present in B but not in C. So I cannot take this. Then any other common element? 7 7 7. Yes, 7 is present in all 3. That's all. That is the only common element. Intersection A intersection B intersection C means common for A B C, means element present in all 3. Element, only one element is present, that is 7. I hope all of you understood. What is meant by intersection? Intersection means what? Common element. Then they want cross C. So what is set C? Set C is given. What is that? 7 9 11. So can't you find this? So is it easy or not? Now we'll go to the first part. What is the first part? A intersection B intersection C cross C, that will give you, club them, 7 7 7 9 7 11. So first element should be from the first set, second element should be from the second set. 7 with 7, 7 with 9, 7 with 11, club them, write them as order pairs. This is the answer. So we are done with first one. Then second one they want. If you want second one, they want you to find A intersection B and B cross B intersection C. First find A intersection B. What is meant by A intersection B? What is meant by A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. So means elements present in both A and B. So we'll see what are the elements present in both A and B. What are the elements present in both A and B? So common to A and B is what? Only 5. 5 is common. See, observe, 5 is present in A also, 5 is present in B also. So 5 is common in both. So A intersection B is what? 5. So A intersection B I got, that is 5. A intersection B we got. Now they want B intersection C. We also want B intersection C. So we'll go to B intersection C also. What is meant by B intersection C? What is B intersection C, my dear students? B intersection C means elements common for both B and C. What are common for both B and C? 5 7 9 7 9. So you can see 7 9 is present in both. 7 9 is present in both. This is common in both. So B intersection C is what? 7 comma 9. So now you got B intersection C. I hope you got A intersection B, you got B intersection C. What do they want? They want Cartesian product of these two. So they want A intersection B cross B intersection A. So I hope all of you understood how to find Cartesian product. So this is the first set for you and this is the second set for you. If you know two sets, so Cartesian product is what? To group with 5 7 5 9. First with first, first with second. That's it. Then we have, so we have done both the problems. Now we'll go to the next. A is 3 5 7, B is 5, 7, 9, C is 7, 9, 11. They want you to find A minus B cross B minus C. And they want you to find A intersection B cross B minus A. So first we'll go to A minus B. What is meant by A minus B? Elements in A other than B. From A, 3, 5, 7, remove B. So remove B means 5, 7, 9 I should remove. If I remove, I'll get 3. Then B minus C. What is meant by B minus C? From B, remove C. 7, 9, 11 you remove. 7, 9 if you remove, it will be 5. So now first third question, that is they want A minus B cross B minus C. A minus B cross B minus C gives you first element I should take from first set and second one. So we'll get in order pair 3, 5. Then fourth one, A intersection B cross B minus A, Cartesian product B minus A. First, what is A intersection B? What is meant by A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. So what are the common elements of A and B? Observe carefully. A, B ke common elements have nodi. What are the common elements for both A and B? In A and B, what are the 3, 5, 7? 5, 7. So 5, 7 is common element. So first is 5, 7 cross B minus A. From B, remove A. From B, remove A. So 5, 7. 5, 7 if I remove, remaining elements of B I should write 9. B minus A means from B, remove A elements and write remaining. Now Cartesian product is what? 5, 9, 7, 9. So this is the Cartesian product. Then A cross B they give minus 1A, minus 1B, minus 2A, minus 2B, 3A, 3B, find A and B. Reverse, they gave A cross B. They gave A cross B. They want you to find set A and set B. Set A means set of all the first elements. What are the first elements? Minus 1, again minus 1, again minus 2, again minus 2, 3, 3. So set A contains elements called minus 1, 2, 3. See, in set you should not repeat elements. So minus 1 we have, minus 2 we have. Set of all the first elements belongs to the first set, and set of all the second set in the order pair belongs to second set. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 and 3 is there. So I cannot repeat in any set. What is the definition of set? Set is a collection of well defined distinct objects. Object should not repeat or element should not repeat. So minus 1 you write once, minus 1, minus 2, then 3. This is set A. And set B. So set of second elements. What are the second elements? You have A here, you have B here, you have A here, you have B here, you have A here, you have B here. A, B, A, B, A, B means we have only two elements. Set B contains A and B. You should not repeat the elements. They wanted set A and B. Set of all the first elements. First elements if I circle, I will get so many first elements, but they are repeated. Minus 1 repeated twice, minus 2 repeated twice, 3 repeated twice. I should take only once. I have taken. That's it. Next. 2x plus 4 comma 3x plus y is equal to 8 comma 0. Find x and y. See, means here they told two ordered pairs are equal. When I started the class, I told you if two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements has to be equal. If two ordered pairs are same, then the first element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second. So before comma first element, what is the first element? 2x plus 4 is equal to here first element. Before comma, what is the first element? 8. First element of the first order pair is equal to first element of this order pair. So solve this. 2x is equal to 8. Transfer 4 to that side, minus 4. 2x is equal to 4. Then second element equal to second. What is second? So 3x or y is equal to minus 3x. 0. I need y. Y is equal to minus 3x. Transfer x to that side because already I know x. What is x? Minus 2. Put it. Minus 3 into x value, you know, minus 6. So we got y also. What is y? Minus 6. They want x and y. So x and y values you got 2 and minus 6. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 6 are the values. I hope all of you got this. Set A is 1, 3, 5. Set B is 5, set C is 7. Verify A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. They are asking you to verify whether this is true or not. First, to verify, first I will find B minus C. B minus C means set of all the elements of B, removing the elements of A. B minus C. From B, remove C. B minus C. From 5, I should remove 7. There is no 7, so B minus C is 5 only. A cross, so A cross B I want. A cross B means order pair containing A with B. A with B means 1 5 3 5 and 5 5. Then when I observe, I have A cross C also I need. A cross C also I need. So I should Cartesian and do the Cartesian product with A and C. So 1 7 3 7 5 7. I got A cross B, I got A cross C, I got B minus C. Now I need to verify. LHS I'll take. What is LHS? A cross B minus C. A cross B minus C means I should do Cartesian product of A and B minus C, these two. First element I should take from A 1 5, 1 5, then 3 5, then 5 5. So I got this, call it as equation 1. So I got A cross B minus C, that is LHS part. Now take RHS, right hand side. What is there in right hand side? RHS is A cross B minus B cross A cross C. Means from A cross B remove A cross C. What is A cross B? 1 5 3 5 5 7. So I should remove the common elements. From A cross B, remove the elements of A cross C and write the remaining elements of A cross B. So what are the common elements we have? 1 7 we don't have, 3 7 we don't have, 5 7 we don't have. So A cross B, A cross C will be same. A cross B minus A cross C. From A cross B, after I remove A cross C, I will get same set. I will get 1 5, I will get 3 5, I will get 5 5. Because there is no common element to remove. I have to remove A cross, in A cross B I should remove A cross C. 1 7 is not there to remove, this is not there, this is not there, so it will be as it is. A cross B minus A cross C gives you A cross B only. So now from 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS means what? A cross B minus C is same as A cross B minus A cross C. Hence the proof. They want you to verify, we got it. We verified, it is true. Same, you should prove A cross B not equal to B cross A. My dear students, very important, you should know. Order pair, suppose if I take 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, they are not same. 1 2 is not equal to 2 1. When can you say order pairs are same? First element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second. Then we say order pairs are same. Now, A cross B. What is A cross B? Cartesian product of A and B. 1C, 1D. Then 4C, 4D. Then 7C, 7D. Now we got A cross B, call it as equation 1. So now you do B cross A. B cross A means first element you should pick from B. C1, C4, C7, then D, D1, D4, D7. Call it as 2. From 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? From 1 and 2, they are not same. This is 1C, but this is C1. They are not equal. A cross B value is not equal to what? B cross A. Because 1C is not equal to C1. I told you, if two order pairs are same, then their first element should be equal to first and second should be equal to second. So, they are not equal. Then, 8th one, A is 2 4 6, B is 3 5. Find A cross B, A cross A, B cross B, B cross A, direct. So, A cross B. What is A cross B? Club the elements. So, 2 3, 2 5, then 4 3, 4 5, then 6 3, 6 5. Then A cross A you do. What is A cross A? So 2 with 2, 2 4, 2 6, same elements. Then 4, you start with 4, 4 club with 2, 4 club with 4, 4 club with 6. Then 6. So 6 2, 6 4, 6 6. A cross A means, so both the sets, another set you should take 2 4 6 and you should club. Then B cross B. I hope you can do B cross B. What is B cross B? 3 5 you club with 3 5. So B 3 5. So that will become what? 3 3 3 5. Then 5 3 5 5. Then B cross A. B first element, that is B cross A. You take B first element 3 2, then 3 4, then 5 2, 3 2 3 4 3 6, then 5 2 5 4 5 6. That's it. Then you have done all the values. Next, x plus y, x minus y, they give order pair 5 comma 1. If two order pairs are equal, then corresponding elements x plus y is 5 and second element x minus y is 1. So we got this. But now these two are simultaneous equations, solve them. So we got two equations equating first element with first element and second element with second element. We got this. Now solve. If I add them, if I add 1 and 2, x plus x is 2x and plus x plus y minus y cancels, it is 6, and x 2x is 6 and x is what? 6 by 2, x is 3. You got x value as 3. Put x value in any other. So put x is equal to what? 3 in 1. What is 1? X plus y is equal to 5. In this value of x you substitute. So that is 3 plus y is equal to 5. So you will get y is equal to 5 minus 3, y is 2. Got an x and y value. Next, if A is 4 6, B is 6 8 10, C is 8 10 12, verify A cross B minus C is same as A cross B minus A cross C or not. We have done the same kind of problem. First task is to find B minus C. What is B minus C? From B remove C. From B remove C. 8 10 12. So remove 8 10. So it will be 6. Then find LHS. What is LHS? A cross B minus C, that is A cross means A is this, B minus C you have here. You club this, then it will become 4 6 6 6. This is A cross B minus C, call it as equation 1. Then you go to the RHS. What is RHS? A cross B minus A cross A. First find A cross B. What is A cross B? Club A with B. Then it will become 4 6 4 8 4 10, 4 6 4 8 4 10, then 6 6 6 8 6 10, then that's it. So then we got A cross B. Now we go for A cross C. What is A cross C? Cartesian product of A and C. 4 with 8, 4 8 4 10 4 12, 4 8 4 10 4 12, then 6 8 6 10 6 12. Now perform A cross B minus A cross C. Means from A cross B remove the elements of A cross C. So if you have any common elements, I'll just erase. See here we have A cross C, 4 8 I'll remove, 4 10 do we have? Yes, remove. 4 12 we don't have, 6 8 we don't have, yeah we have, 6 8 you remove, and 6 10 remove. What is remaining element? You write it. What are the remaining elements we have? A cross B minus A cross B means, A cross C means from A cross B remove A cross C and remaining elements of the first set, remaining element of A cross B. What are the remaining elements of A cross B? 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 6, call it as equation 2. So my dear students, observe 1 and 2. When you observe 1 and 2 are the same. So from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, or you can say A cross B minus C value is same as A cross B minus A cross C. I hope all of you understood this. So by this, all the Cartesian problem or Cartesian product problems and order pair problems we have completed. I'll see you in my next session with some more problems. Sit and practice what we have discussed today. Thanks for attending. Thank you.